I have to go to the grocery store, and right now I'm at CVS. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's vlog, we're starting off at night. We just decorated the tree, and now I'm gonna make some lasagna soup. I saw this on TikTok and it looked really good, so I'm very excited to make it. So I'm gonna show you guys the process of it all, and I will link the recipe I used below. I love a good one-pot dinner, and that's exactly what this is, so I'm very excited about it.
We're going to a monster truck show.
Look at, he's got his shirt on. We're gonna go watch monster trucks today. They have this Hot Wheels monster truck tour, and it goes to a bunch of different cities, and Theo loves his monster trucks, so we're gonna take him today.
Yeah!
It's gonna be so fun?
Yeah!
Take our glow party to the next level in less than 5 minutes.
Okay, what do you think so far? Do you like it so far?
I like it.
Are you having fun?
Yeah.
Mom and Dad are here. Hi. I found a new hair girl in the Twin Cities. She's actually in Bloomington, and we're gonna do a gloss. We're gonna get it cut, styled, and I'm gonna add some extensions. I'm very excited. Clip-ins have been my best friend, clip-ins or extensions. I had some extensions installed when I was back in New York City, but those have been long gone. I'm dealing with a lot of regrowth and hair thinning ever since I got sick, so clip-ins and extensions have just been my best friend. So we're gonna go get them today. I'm gonna take you along on my hair transformation. This is like day 3, okay? So she's very flat and just like bleh. But I'm really excited for the gloss. That's usually what I do for my hair. I don't really like color it, but I gloss it, and it just makes it look a little bit more refreshed. running some errands. I have to go to the grocery store, and right now I'm at CVS. I have to get some last minute travel essentials. Huge thank you to CVS for sponsoring this part of the video. They're genuinely my go-to when it comes to stuff like this. Like I said, we're traveling for the holidays this year. We have 2 places. I'm going to Miami for work, and then we're going to New York for the holidays, which I'm so excited for because New York, we haven't been back since we moved out. So it's gonna be really fun to go see everybody and do just like fun Christmassy things in the city. So like I said, I have to get some last minute travel essentials, just like smaller items to bring in my carry-ons and some snacks. And I'm also gonna check out some of the holiday items that they have out. Got the goods. Look at how good these look. I've never had them before. They're the Well Market Trail Mix Bites Blueberry Pomegranate. I think Theo's gonna really like these. So I grabbed one of those for the plane. Some other items I got were in the holiday section. I picked up some wrapping paper. I was pleasantly surprised about this. They had a ton of wrapping paper and really cute, not super obnoxious prints. I got 2 things of festive chocolate. Good last minute stocking stuffers. Same with the Grinch. Theo's gonna love this. As you guys saw, we're putting up our Christmas decorations, and I got some last minute decor. You can't go wrong with the candle in the holidays, so I picked up this one. It smells like vanilla, a pretty neutral, like everyday scent. How cute is she? I got a little deer, and it's wearing a Christmas wreath. Lastly, I got this cute white tree for Theo's room. He wanted something in his room, so I thought this was cute. It also lights up. They have a ton of little holiday sets out right now, which would make obviously great gifts, great last minute gifts. But I got these for myself because I always am losing and needing claw clips and scrunchies. Can't go wrong. Now I got all this hair. Next up is the grocery store. That was a pretty successful CVS run. Definitely go check out the holiday stuff that they have right now in store, or you can shop online. In a bowl, I just have some salad mix right here. This is just shaved Brussels sprouts, a little bit of kale, and some other random lettuces. Doesn't have to, it can be whatever. I have the chickpeas and the sweet potato on a baking tray. I'm gonna roast this at 425 for about 20 minutes until basically the potatoes are done. Looking so tasty, so fresh. Let's do a taste test. Try to get one of everything in a bite. Okay, we'll start there. The hot honey makes it very sweet, but in a good way, because it balances out the apple cider vinegar. Super good, like a perfect fall cozy salad, in my opinion. We picked Theo up from school, he got a haircut, and now we're bowling.
Yeah.